Hello and welcome to IT Voice, your one stop for all things tech. I am Chahat, bringing you the latest from the world of technology. From cutting edge product launches to breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, we've got it all covered. Our lead story is about Accenture Restructures Workforce to focus on AI and data talent. Adobe has added Google's Nano Banana AI engine along with Black Forest Labs' Flux. Kontext Pro to Photoshop, marking the first time third-party AI models are available in the app. Users can generate AI images via the generative fill feature and make corrections directly within Photoshop using professional-grade tools. Adobe's Firefly models remain available. Unlimited access is offered until October 28th, after which usage credits apply. User content is not used to train AI, and creators are responsible for assessing commercial use of partner models. Adobe has added Google's Nano Banana. Wipro rejects CM's request to open Sarjapur campus, proposes transport study. Wipro chairman Azim Premji declined Karnataka CM Siddaramaya's unusual request to allow public vehicular access through the company's Sarjapur SEZ campus to ease Bengaluru traffic. Premji cited legal, governance, and compliance constraints, noting such access would not provide a long-term solution. Instead, he offered to fund a major data-driven transport study to address congestion comprehensively. Premji emphasized the need for a holistic scientific approach involving expert urban transport management, highlighting that Bengaluru's traffic challenges require sustainable solutions beyond temporary measures. Google turns a 27 marks milestone with special doodle. Google is celebrating its 27th birthday with a special doodle that revives its first ever logo, thanking billions of users for their support. Although the company was officially incorporated on September 4th, 1998, it now observes September 27th as its symbolic birthday, linked to its early doodle tradition. Founded by Larry Page and Sergey Brin at Stanford, Google has grown from a research project into a global technology leader under Alphabet Inc. The celebratory doodle highlights Google's evolution and its cultural impact through iconic doodles. Xiaomi unveils HyperOS 3 based on Android 16. Rollout from October. Xiaomi has launched HyperOS 3 built on Android 16 with rollout beginning October 2025. The update brings a refreshed home screen, smarter notifications powered by Hyper Island, improved privacy controls, and new AI-driven features. It also introduces cross-ecosystem compatibility with iPhone, iPad, and MacBook. The rollout starts with the Xiaomi 15T series Mix Flip and Poco F7 OCT Nov, followed by devices like Xiaomi 14 Ultra and Redmi Note 13 Pro by December. Older models, including Xiaomi 13 Ultra and Poco F5, will get updates through March 2026. Microsoft to end Windows 10 support in 2025. Upgrade urged. Microsoft will end free security updates for Windows 10 on October 14, 2025, putting users at risk unless they upgrade to Windows 11 or pay for extended protection. While major companies have mostly transitioned, smaller businesses and public offices still lag, driving demand for refurbished PCs under Rs 15,000. Regulated sectors like banking and healthcare face compliance pressures to switch before the deadline. Meanwhile, concerns about e-waste loom as outdated devices pile up, with brands like Lenovo and Acer boosting recycling efforts. Apple Tests Veritas App to power next-gen Siri with AI. Apple is testing a new app called Veritas, set to give Siri a major upgrade by March 2026. Initially delayed by technical issues, Veritas is being trialed by employees and could allow Siri to search personal data and handle more in-app tasks. Apple is also exploring Linwood, a system that combines its AI with external tech and may partner with Google for a Gemini-powered Siri. CEO Tim Cook emphasizes Apple's commitment to win in AI with leadership shifts and heavy investment. Today's AI tool is Tome, AI-powered storytelling and presentation platform. Tome is an AI-powered storytelling and presentation platform that helps users create compelling narratives, slides, and visual content effortlessly. Designed for professionals, educators, and creators, Tome leverages artificial intelligence to generate structured presentations from simple prompts, integrating text, images, and data visualization seamlessly. It supports real-time collaboration. Our lead story is about Accenture Restructures Workforce to focus on AI and data talent. Accenture cut over 11,000 jobs globally in the past 3 months amid weak consulting demand and reduced U.S. federal spending. The $865 million restructuring emphasizes reskilling employees for AI-driven roles, with 77,000 AI and data professionals now on board, up from 40,000 2 years ago. Despite job cuts, the company expects revenue growth of 2 to 5% in the new fiscal year and plans to maintain operating profit margins. Generative That's it for today's bulletin. We'll be back tomorrow with more insights and another AI tool to supercharge your digital life. Stay sharp, stay ahead. This is Chahat signing off from IT Voice.